Number 5, have students write and solve another problem using the data in the daily high temperatures line plot on page 128. So here's the line plot. The line plot below shows the high temperature every day for 1 month. Our question is, one question we can ask is, how many days were in the month? How many days were in the month? So we know that each of these marks is 1 day. So to find the amount of days in a month, we would simply count each mark. So this month had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. 31 days. So our question was, how many days were in the month? And our answer, 31 days. Number 1, Pedro made a line plot to show the heights of the plants in his garden. How many plants are less than 3 inches tall? So we see the line plot, and these are the heights of the plants in inches. So these plants were 1 inch. These plants were 2 inches. These plants were 3 inches. This plant was 4 inches. So we always underline question, how many plants are less than 3 inches tall? Less than 3 inches would be the plants that were 1 and 2 inches tall. So we count the ones that were 1 and 2 inches tall. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 plants were less than 3 inches tall. They asked us for less than 3. Number 2, find the sum. We know the word sum means to add. So let's begin adding, starting with the ones place. 2 plus 9 equals 11. We carry our 1 to the tens place. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. We carry our 1. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 7 plus 2 equals 9. The sum is 901. Number 3, find the difference. The word difference means the answer to a subtraction problem, so we know we're subtracting. 460 minus 309. We start with a ones place, 0 minus 9. We can't do that. We have to borrow from the tens place. The 0 takes 1 away from the 6. The 6 now becomes a 5. Now this 0 can become a 10. 10 minus 9 equals 1. Now this is no longer 6 minus 0. It is now 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0 equals 5. And in the hundreds place, 4 minus 3, that equals 1. So our answer is 151. Number 4, there were 262 hamburgers cooked for the school fair. What is 262 rounded to the nearest hundred? So we're going to circle our important numbers, 262, and we know we're rounding to the nearest hundred. So 262 is between 200 and 300, but it is closer to 300. Number 5. Mackenzie has 517 stickers in her collection. What is 517 rounded to the nearest 10? So we circle our important numbers, 517, and we know they're rounding to the nearest 10. So 517 is between 510 and 520, but it is closer to 520.